Welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 18 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's beautiful life. And today's sketch is brought to you by Frances West. This is a really cool sketch. There's actually a lot more in it than you think. There's the base paper, another sheet of paper, these two long banners, journaling, multi-word title, and lots of room for embellishments. So I'm going to have fun with this one. My photos are a different size and a different orientation, but we'll see how close mine resembles this sketch when we're finished. These are the photos I am scrapping, and it's of my son when he decided that he wanted a smoker. So he went out and bought a smoker, and this is, I think, the first time that he used it. So he had lots of fun. And I swear he should have been a chef because he loves food and experimenting and trying different things. So they're the photos. Now, the embellishments I've got, I went op shopping recently, which is like thrift shopping, and I found these Jolie's stickers from I don't know when. They haven't been extensively used for a long time, I don't think. But this pack had, I thought, oh, cool, barbecue and stuff. And then I saw this, oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, and I saw this barbecue on it. That would be perfect for a smoker page. So I don't know if I'll use all the embellishments that are there, but I'll definitely be using that one. And then I have just a heap of embellishments that came with this paper pack. So this is a Stampin' Up range. What's it called? I don't know. That's just a plain bit of cardboard. Oh, I don't know. It must have been on the bag. Oh, I don't know what it was called. But it had lots of cool mail type stuff, embellishments and things in there. So, like, holy smokes, look at that. You're the best. Things like that. So, going to try and use some of them. And I have these cool metal enamel dot things that I thought, well, they look like sort of smokerish, I guess, like there's silver type of things on the smoker. So, well, they look like rivets on there. My title, I don't know if I have enough letters for what I want to do, but I've got 3 packets, so hopefully I'll be fine. They're D. Lizzie Thickers, and why am I yawning? I am so sorry. Gosh. Right, we'll get rid of this cardboard. I don't need that. Alright, so I don't know what the range is, but these are the papers I'm using. So on the sketch, we have a back one, which is this one with all the barbecue type symbols on it. It's got like a pig and the bottles and the knife and fork and the fire and stuff like that. So I thought, well, that would be perfect. And then this is my bit that goes over the top. And because this is not the thickest of patterned paper, like some, I am going to back it with a piece of cardstock. The words are hard, no matter. Oh, gosh. Oh, I'm yawning as well as misspeaking. Jeez, need a holiday. So that is the cardboard backing. I'm just going to do a thin one around the edge. And then this will be one of the strips. And I don't know what another one is. Oh, really? Okay. Maybe I should start again. Nah. Anyway, so I don't know what the others. I'll pick something else for the other banner. I think I just need to shut up now and scrap. Hey, so let's get this page happening. Okay, there's my page. Does it look like the sketch? Well, sort of. I have 4 photos. Frances has 4 photos. I moved my title up to here. It wouldn't fit down here. So I've put instead of that embellishment cluster up there, I actually got my title and a few embellishments. I have the 2 banners. I have a element in the middle, an embellishment in the middle instead of the journaling, and my journaling spot is down here. So there we go. I really like it. Came together quite quickly, and it's a very masculine page. Yeah, I think it looks good. If you've liked this layout, please give it the thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And don't forget to check out the playlist down below for everyone that's playing along with the 30 Days of Sketches. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.